With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
xy and x dash by dash are two parallel tangent to a circle with the center O and another tangent AB with the point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash by dash at B. So prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So first of all, we draw the figure according to the given data. We have a circle. And the two tangent of the particular circle. We draw if the two tangent, then let's suppose this is a tangent xy. This is a tangent xy, and we draw the another tangent of this is another tangent. Let's suppose this is a x dash and this is a y dash, and we have given that is the touching point of this x by tangent. It is, let's suppose this is a P, and the touching point of the x dash y dash, let's suppose this is a Q. And we have also given that the another tangent AB with the point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash by dash at B. So we will draw this tangent according to the question. So here we have given another tangent AB. So A point is xy, so A point is this and B point is this. The tangent intersecting the circle at a point C. Let's suppose this is center of the circle is O. So here this is the center of the circle. When we will meet the point O to A, and we will also meet point O to B, then so we have to prove that is angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. So for proving that, we will first of all do the construction, that is we meet O to C and we will meet P to O and we will also meet O to Q. So OP equal to OC equal to OQ. These all are the radius of a circle. So if we talk about the triangle, triangle OPA and triangle OCA, so here we can see that is the OP is equal to OC because these are the radius of a circle. And if we talk about that OPA, then PA will be equal to AC because tangents from an external point on a circle are equal. So PA equal to AC, and here we know that is OA is a common side of the both the triangle, then OA is equal to OA because this is the common side. So by this concept we know the congruence criteria of the two triangle, that is congruence criteria. If we have given the two triangle, if the corresponding side of the particular triangle is equal, so we can say the both the triangle will be congruent. If so, we will apply the criteria, that is side, because the three sides corresponding sides are equal. So we can say the triangle OPA will be congruent to triangle OCA. So here we can also write it as a angle POA will be equal to angle POA will be equal to angle COA because these are the, let's suppose this is equation 1, because these are the corresponding angle. So by using the same concept, we can also say that the triangle QOB will be congruent to triangle OCB because we will apply the same concept which we have already applied in the triangle OPA and the triangle OCA. So we can write that is triangle QOB will be congruent to triangle OCB. So here we can also write an angle QOB will be equal to angle COB. Let's suppose this is equation second, because these angles are corresponding angle. Let's see in the figure. That is angle QOB. QOB will be equal to angle COB, because these are the corresponding angle in a triangle OQB and a triangle OCB. So here we know that is POQ is a diameter of this particular circle, and POQ also a straight line. So we know the straight line always measures angle 180 degree. So we apply this concept. POQ is a diameter of a circle and also a straight line. So we know straight line always measures angle 180 degree. So here we can write that is angle POA plus angle COA plus angle COB plus angle BOQ is equal to 180 degree. So, and here we have already discussed that angle POA is equal to angle COA. So we will put the value angle POA in place angle COA plus angle COA, and here we have angle COB, and in place of angle BOQ we can place angle COB. Angle COB is equal to 180 degree. So it will be 2 angle COA and plus it will be 2 angle COB equal to 180 degree. Then we can take a 2 as a common, then the remaining is angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. So when we will find the value of angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 by 2 equal to 90 degrees. So we can see in the figure angle COA and angle COB is nothing but the angle AOB. So we can write in place of angle COA plus angle COB is angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. This is something we have. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.